Hey, how's it going, guys? Feels like a million years since I've done a YouTube video, especially an adventure one, so I thought today would be an awesome opportunity because we're actually already heading out to do some stuff today. Michaelee needed to get some landscapes.
Yeah, I'm doing a little uni project at the moment, so Dan's going to show me how to shoot landscapes because I'm absolutely shocking at it, and hopefully we'll get some good stuff to show you guys.
Yeah, so we're going to be heading out to Maleny, which is about an hour-and-a-half drive out of Brisbane. We're probably gonna, I mean, we've been there a couple of times before, but there's a couple of spots we definitely want to check out. I think last time we went to a nice little restaurant, and we'll see if we can get a table out again. But yeah, apart from that, it's gonna be a pretty crazy day, I think. We'll just head out and see what we can get. So yeah, I guess we'll take you guys with us. See you in a bit. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys in our like vlogs, but we have this like super lovely little mini garden. Phyllis, Astrid, Sprout, Fernando, Rojo Congo, and I can't remember who.
That's Camilla.
Camilla.
How could you forget Camilla? She's the newest one, the newest member to the family.
Life's short, skating. Camera check, skateboard check, road trip check. Where are we?
Condalilla Falls.
Condalilla
I definitely said it wrong earlier.
So, we've made it to Condalilla Falls. Michaelee came here for work not too long ago, and she's dragged me along, and I'm really keen to see the waterfalls because last time we came here, we didn't actually end up going to the waterfall.
Too busy.
It was a little bit too busy. So this time, we're gonna go and we're gonna take some photos, we're gonna take some videos. Someone seems excited, so let's get going, huh?
I'm sure there's some nice stuff down yonder.
So yeah, we didn't really know what we were coming into, but we did find this really cool bridge. We've just taken a couple of cool shots which we'll chuck in after this sequence. But yeah, we found this cool little bridge with bits of sunlight kind of jumping through it. Bits of sunlight popping through it, so we took a couple of shots down here, and now we're gonna press on.
And film a rock or every leaf that you see. And after a while, you got a bit sick of it.
I think she's sick of me. Walking along, and we found these super cool boardwalks. They're like perfect for doing little like, I don't know, they just create these really nice leading lines. And we took some photos before of us like jumping. Whoa. Of us like jumping midair. They look really sick. We'll put them up on Instagram so you guys can check them out.
This here is my stump.
What's his name?
Stump.
Stump. Stump the stump.
Very creative. Onward.
Onward? You're in a running mood today. What a view, hey? Definitely worth the 5-minute walk from the car park.
It's been at least 5 hours.
At least. I think I can hear someone's drone.
Someone had the right idea.
Wacky tree.
Come in.
Alright, so we made it here to, I can't even remember how to say the name of these falls.
But we're here.
We're here, we made it. It's a bit of a trek, not really, it was like a cave. It was a
bit
cave.
of a trek.
It was a bit of a meander. But no, we're here, it's beautiful, like pretty nice spot. The sun's like in a perfect position for taking some cool photos. We'll see you guys in a bit. we've made it to this lake. Now, I actually have no idea what the name of this lake is. The only reason I know it's here is because last time Michaelee and I came down to Maleny, we kind of stumbled upon it, or we could see it in the distance, and we were like,
Lake Barron.
Lake Barron is what it's called. Maybe. Alright, so it's like super noisy behind us because there's a main road right here. But we just pulled over. Unfortunately, we pulled up to our little cafe restaurant and they were closed, but fortunately it meant that we got out here in time to see this incredible sunset. We got some super cute photos and a couple of videos for Michaelee, which I think she was after. And now I guess it's time to just head home. We've got a bit of a drive back to Brisbane, an hour and a half drive, so I think the sooner we get going, the sooner we'll get home, the sooner we can have some dinner and rug up.
Yes.
Thanks for coming along. If you want to see some of the photos that we took today, we'll be posting them up on Instagram. I mean, I can chuck Michaelee's Instagram in the end here somewhere, and mine is some chiller. I mean, fuck it, I'll just chuck them in the bottom, it's probably easier. But yeah, thanks for coming along for this journey. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day. Peace.
Bye.